Check out the hottest and most anticipated ride-on cars from RiiRoo this year. Check out our licensed Fiat 500 push-along ride-on. Not only does it look great, but it's also fun too. Your little one will find it easy to push along anywhere they like, and it even comes with a working horn. It's suitable for children of up to 5 years of age or up to 110 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Start-up engine sounds, functioning horn, official brand stickers and badges.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. The integrated storage compartment allows your child to take their belongings with them on their adventure. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer a free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.